Hey, Ramen.
Victory. I'm talking about somebody, motherfucker. I heard that scream through that by the shit. Heard his ass scream through that, his ass ain't make it. His ass got money on his head, didn't even make it. That 556 fucked up his face. Dark car lacking, the Uber got shot up in the lift. Draco just fucked up his face, got left straps. His ass dug in that smoke. Trey just doing that talk, ain't drop no location. Yo ass just talking, twin boy fit get dropped. That can't fit, make Trey drop. Them bitches don't even know me, so why they talking that shit? I just want that one hoe killed, that bitch just talk too much shit. Her ass talk too much shit, Trey gon' get left older than dick. That boy Ross just still ain't this shit. What's the word, y'all ain't this shit? I'm just waiting till the day I catch him, so I can shoot him in they shit. Dumbass, I gon' get dropped just for talking. Trey talking about smoking, man, his ass ain't never did shit inside these streets. This cake gon' make Trey dumbass look toasted. That bitch gon' make his ass folded. Catch his ass with his pops, his ass ain't gon' make it. I'ma shoot both of them, leave him dead in the ditch. I'ma spit up this side of they whip and make him crash that bitch. His fat ass diss on me, I ain't gon' forget that shit. Catch his ass like a side that stone, make sure he dead in the flow. Showcases hit that flow, you know I got that job done, his ass is dead. That boy ain't gonna be doing no talking, fuck bitches in a box. I killed his homie, left that hoe in her box. Her dumb ass got rolled up into a pack, I flame that bitch up. I'ma get rid of this spit if I kill all y'all homies. Just in all black, go bass out that bitch with chops. I get that drop, I spin that block. Purple Sprite and Starphone, lean inside this cup. Smoke all they dead homies, drop all they homies. Throw they ass out like dirty napkins. Leave them reeking just like the trash. They block, I spin 392. That was me who was in the back of the passenger seat, bounce out that chop. Left his ass face down on the floor. They did that diss, all four of them collapsed on the floor. I told them bitch about doing that talking, they ass got killed. They dumb ass got shot in the face just for talking that shit. Kept playing with me, I bounced out that bitch. His dumb ass cap rapper talking about a micro ARP, his ass ain't got shit.